Alright. I'm gonna go chit.
What is up, guys? So today we're gonna be doing something a little different. We're gonna be drifting.
Fuck yeah, evergreen.
Evergreen, drift evergreen 2-day. Even though this is the second day, because I suck at doing intros. But we're gonna be doing some cool stuff.
Tell the real truth.
It's actually,
it's the end of the day.
It's the end of the day, yeah. So
We're gonna drink some beer.
Wow, I fucking destroyed my wheel. Oh no.
You fucked that up pretty good.
Oh god.
Oh shit. Cigarette.
Look at the wheels, man. My nice wheel.
Not no more.
Not no more. Alright.
You have a cone.
I guess I do.
are we having fun, Nick?
We are having a blast.
I'm having fun like two guns in the suns. I'm having a grand old time.
So, Nikki, how do you feel things are gonna work out today?
I feel like my car sucks ass.
Yeah, we're all kind of having some type of issue here. Whether it's almost blowing up or just not running. Everybody's having something. But, yeah. This thing right here is why I haven't made any videos in a long time. Alright. I don't think they've ever seen you on a vlog before.
Nope. This is the first.
So, we got another long day of drifting ahead of us. Hopefully we all make it out.
Mess we have.
Yeah, so I haven't been making any videos because I've been building that piece of shit Mustang in the back. Because my friends drift and so do I, and it's fun.
They've never even seen the garage.
What do you mean?
The shop.
My car?
The shop in general. All the shenanigans go down.
So the boys are all up.
The boys are back in town.
Get it! The boys are back in town. Get it! Oh shit! Oh my god!
So do I.
It's popping out of me. Oh.
It's almost driver's meeting time.
Look at that dog. Look at that dog.
How fast he is. Look at him. He's like, get me off this chain. Let me free.
I still can't do it, dude.
Dude, it's so easy. I'll do the only one I know.
Oh boy, here we
Do that
go.
one.
Shrey, the Robbie Shrey.
Whoop.
I like how you brought it towards him. That was fun.
So what do you think, Nick? We're gonna have fun today.
If nothing breaks. Yeah. I know I won't go through tires. I know at least I probably won't have a coolant leak or a blown up radiator. Josh.
Thanks.
This bad boy I thought blew up yesterday. All the coolant came out.
I always thought drifting was such a puddle on the oval.
And then you grew up.
You beat the ever-living Christ out of your car just to blow it up, to
Yeah,
make
you
it
work
do
so
things
hard.
that it was not built to do. That you work so hard on, right? And then you just put it all back together when it's broken. Or do it at the track. But now it doesn't seem so stupid anymore. Now I get it. I definitely get it.
Well, with the rig you got over there, the rig you got behind us.
Did you get a shot of the rig from the side?
Which rig? That rig.
The chateau.
Oh baby, you guys ready for this
Hotel.
one?
The hotel. That's the
Look at this is the hotel.
This is the hotel for the evening.
It's the chair in.
2 stories high. Got 2 levels. Walk up the steps, you're in the bed.
Once you're inside, you're already in the bed.
That's what she said.
Right.
We went 4 deep in. We went 4 deep in her. She liked
Yeah,
it.
except I had to sleep on the floor in rat shit.
Typical for your last name. We're tight shit.
Really tight shit.
That's why it takes you an hour to poop.
Right.
Tight shit.
My butthole's tight.
Really tight shit. Yeah, right. That thing's looser than
Dude,
it
when I
goes.
fart, it's just like and some dust.
Who was it?
What the fuck?
You cooked it.
What the fuck?
Well, we finished off the day nice and strong. This strapping young lad and I
We fucking killed it.
made a kiss.
We killed it.
You ready? My car took most of the damage.
Show 'em the actual kiss.
We didn't put our mouths together. Look at this. It's all droopy and like cross-eyed and stuff now. But look at how America this is. Red, white, and blue. So all in all, Drift Evergreen 2-day was an absolute amazing success. Can't wait for the next one. It's gonna be freaking sick.
Kiss it. Just kiss.
Just kiss. Apologize. Yeah, so sorry this isn't like some music stuff and all, but like I do other things other than music. So this was pretty cool experience into my life, what I actually do. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.